Hello everyone, this is Rob from Boozer's Backwoods Chronicles with another episode. On today's episode, we are going to get some oyster mushrooms started. I'm growing them in 5-gallon buckets and I'm using barbecue pellets for a substrate. And I'm going to pasteurize them with boiling water. Let me show you how it's done. Okay, so I'm starting out with two 5-gallon buckets. Each bucket has 4 pounds of hardwood pellets in it. And again, I bought these at Sam's, but they don't have any additives or anything in it. That's what you're looking for. Also have 1.75 gallons of boiling water sitting here on the stove. So that boiling water is going to be poured in and it'll eventually expand, and it will also pasteurize the substrate to get any undesirable fungus and things like that out of the substrate. So here we go. We're going to measure it pretty carefully. I've got to put half of that 1.75 gallons in each of these buckets. So anyway, here we go. Okay, hopefully I don't break my measuring cup. Good deal. Okay, so that's 2 cups, a quart. I'm sorry, a pint. Quart, that should be about a half a gallon. Okay, there you go. We're gonna get these buckets covered up and we're gonna let them sit for a little while, and after they cool off, then we'll be able to add the substrate. Kind of interesting, you can see it expanding already. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give these a stir so that everything mixes up a little more evenly, then I'm gonna cover them up. Alright, here's my buckets, and they're full of the hydrated wood pellets from the pellet grill. They were hydrated with boiling water to pasteurize them. From the original recipe, I had to add 2 more pounds to each bucket of wood chips and about a half a gallon of water in each bucket. And the moisture is about right and all that. Now for the next step, I'm going to add it. So I've got a 6-pound block of North Spore mushroom spawn. One is blue oyster and one is pink oyster. I have some gloves and some alcohol. Okay, I'm going to start by rinsing my hands with some alcohol. I'm just trying to avoid contaminants. And again, I'm not going to get rid of all the contaminants, but I'm doing the best I can. I'm going to add the pink oyster spawn to this bucket. And here's some blue oyster spawn. And I'm going to add it to the other bucket. Okay, there we go. And then I'm going to try to evenly distribute the spawn into the substrate. Like I said, I'm really just trying to get it evenly distributed. Same with the blue oyster. And I'd say that is mixed up pretty good. I'm gonna pop the lids on and then we wait. Okay, here they are in their resting place. I did take the time to put some pans down so that it doesn't make a mess, and also covered up some of the holes to retain the moisture. Eventually I'll pull that tape off when they are ready to start fruiting, but that's a ways off now. We're going to let them sit in the bucket for a week or two and complete darkness, and we'll check back on them later. Okay, I got them covered up with a blanket now, so it ought to be nice and dark inside them buckets. And we'll give them a week or two and we'll see how they're doing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments. Got some future projects coming up. I'll build a grow tent for the mushrooms. I'll keep you up to date on the mushroom progress. Thanks for watching.